Alright, our next character is Party Girl Patty. Just look at her. Patty likes to party, alright? Don't judge her. Alright, let's start with a square. And then give her a very short neck and wide square shoulders. Now draw a curve above her head for her fringe, and then a similar looking curve above that, which will be her headband. Now for her hair, draw a curve going from the headband and stopping just before her jawline, and bring that hair back to her face. And just repeat for the other side for a nice symmetrical hairdo. Now for her eyes, 2 semicircles poking out from under the fringe, and then 2 more semicircles for her pupils. And then a big rectangle for the nose, and a nice big frown. Because Patty's in the office, people, alright? And she'd rather be partying. So she's going to be a bit sad. Let's go down south to her jacket, and let's draw in some lapels and a t-shirt. Okay, we have a nice solid foundation. We've used the thick lines. Now let's start the shading with a thin pen. Add some depth by putting a shadow where the head connects to the neck. Now let's draw in some circles, which will very soon turn into smiley faces to reflect Party Girl Patty's carefree and fun party attitude. And here they come. Oh man, this person, she's a lot of fun. Alright, look at her. Okay, let's get serious. I want to tell you, we've got too much white going on in this picture. We need a nice balance of black and white. So up until now, I've just been shading using thin lines, but let's now shade in her jacket with pure black, which will make those little smiley faces pop out to the best of their abilities. Now just put some little detail on her t-shirt. And it's a Tuesday in the office, and Tuesday night is party night. Alright, so she's just gonna rock this outfit. She's gonna leave her runners in the office. She's gonna go out and party on a Tuesday night. Okay, I think we are done. Let us now put her in front of a black background. And we have just drawn Party Girl Patty. I'll see you in the next video.